Over the years, every school in Davis School District has benefited from bond projects. While the 2022 bond doesn't include projects in every school, it does address needs in all areas of the county. School bonds are proposed every 5 to 6 years in Davis School District. So this year's bond projects will build upon projects completed when bonds passed in 2009, 2015, and beyond. Successful passage of a bond ensures projects will improve schools well into the future. Even if your school doesn't have any projects planned for the 2022 bond, you have likely already benefited from voters supporting school bonds in the past. Those people might not have had a project for their school on that year's particular bond, but they wanted to pay it forward to the schools that most needed repairs and remodels. Bonds are a way for the community to say they support students and teachers in Davis County. When a bond measure fails, existing capital funds cannot cover every need listed in the original bond proposal. The district still tries to meet the school construction needs, but few resources stretched between more projects means capital cuts will happen at every school. When a bond passes, construction can move forward, ensuring that current needs are met and future needs are planned for. You can learn more about the bond and read a full list of projects at dsdbond.org.